Hey ELOC Nation, welcome back to the everyday life of an OCDish chick. If you're new here, hi, I'm Nikki. We all know Dollar Tree has gardening supplies, but I've been wondering what's hiding in the rest of the store. Are there budget-friendly finds for gardeners, organizers, homebodies, and everyday life? Today we're going aisle by aisle to answer one simple question. What's the deal, Dollar Tree? Let's go. Go ahead and put these in your cart. Fall gardening is closer than you think, and these little seed starter pots are perfect for getting your broccoli, cabbage, kale, cauliflower, and lettuce started. Future you will be glad you grabbed them before everyone else catches on. Garden Auntie approves. If you're gardening on a budget, these are solid picks. Let's check out the seasonal section. Back to school has officially arrived at the Dollar Tree. Whether you're shopping for students, teachers, homeschool supplies, or even home office organization, now's the time to stock up before the best items disappear. Run, don't walk. These won't stay on the shelves for long. Grab them while you can. Compass and protractor set. If you have a student taking geometry this year, this is an easy pickup. It's one of those things you don't want to pay more for somewhere else. Definitely buy it. Now these are cute and they come in assorted colors. And these are surprisingly handy. Kids use them for homework, but they're also great for crafting, laptops, coloring, or even sorting seeds and garden supplies. Buy it. What's the deal, Dollar Tree? Pencil holders. These aren't just for pencils. These can be used for plant markers, seed packets, scissors, garden labels, pens. They're great organizers. Buy it. These are fine for paper and light crafts, but if you're cutting heavy cardstock or fabric, I'd invest in a better pair. So it would depend on what you're using them for. What's the deal, Dollar Tree? These binders are a great deal, perfect for school, recipes, home organization, gardening notes, or keeping important papers together. I use binders all the time, so these get a thumbs up. I'd buy it. What's the deal, Dollar Tree? And then we have the Sugar Daddy edition. Listen, I'm not asking any questions. If you know somebody with a good sense of humor, this might be the funniest stocking stuffer or birthday gift. Listen, Linda, buy it if you know someone who loved them. Tell me why these cup of noodle boxers actually made me laugh. Perfect for the ramen lover in your life. Now, these aren't a necessity, but they're definitely fun. A great conversation starter. What's the deal, Dollar Tree? These mini backpacks are super cute, but I check the zippers and straps before buying them. They're great for toddlers, daycare, carrying small toys, or travel essentials, but I wouldn't count on them for a full school backpack. It depends. Now, I know we all have computers, tablets, and phones, but tell me I'm not the only one who still loves writing things down. There's just something special about a fresh composition book. I use them for garden planning, video ideas, shopping lists, and honestly, sometimes just random thoughts. So for me, this one's definitely a buy it. These are another buy it in my opinion, especially if you see them right away. These mini swing top trash cans. Definitely buy it. These little trash cans are actually pretty handy. They're perfect for your bathroom countertop, home office, makeup station, craft room, or even your gardening bench for tossing seed packets and plant tags. They're compact, functional, and only $1.50. Buy the calendars, grab them when you see them. If you're a planner like me, don't overlook these 2027 calendars. Whether you're tracking appointments, birthdays, gardening schedules, or your content calendar, these are a great value. What's the deal, Dollar Tree? Buy it. Y'all know I had to stop for these. These self-watering planters are perfect if you're growing herbs, pothos, peace lilies, and other small plants. They're stylish, functional, and at this price, I wouldn't wait too long. I have a feeling these are going to sell out. What? Yes, I got them. They were staring me down. Ooh, I love this color. Buy it. Gardeners, these are for us too. They're perfect for harvesting tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, squash, or carrying tools around the yard. They're lightweight, sturdy, and easy to rinse off when you're done. And of course, I had to sniff each of these candle scents. The pumpkin and cashmere vanilla were my favorites. These woven baskets look much more expensive than they are. They're perfect for organizing your home, decorating shelves, holding keys, remotes, or even displaying small potted plants. I love the natural look. If your clothes are constantly slipping off plastic hangers, these are a game changer. The velvet keeps your shirts, dresses, and sweaters right where they belong. Plus, they make your closet look a whole lot neater without spending a fortune. For me, this is a buy it. Now, these I absolutely love. These storage baskets are perfect for organizing just about anything. Pantry snacks, bathroom supplies. They actually look nice sitting out instead of hiding in a closet. Y'all, there is so much to see here. I'm trying to figure out what to show and what to walk right past. I can't film the entire store. We'd be here all day. So I'm just going to show you the things that really catch my eye, like this duct tape. Buy it if you do winter sewing like me. Grab a few rolls of these. Write directly on the tape with a permanent marker. Stick it on your milk jugs. Use different colors to organize your seedlings. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. These sunflower bowls and plates are adorable. If you host garden parties, serve your harvest, or just love bringing the garden indoors, I'd grab these before they're gone. And look at the matching mugs. Imagine your morning coffee while you're walking the garden. We've arrived at the snack zone. Garden Auntie has officially left the gardening aisle and entered dangerous territory. Proceed at your own risk. Dark chocolate almond bark with sea salt. Yep, buy it. This is one of those snacks you hide from everyone else. Reese's snack bags. Depends. Check the price against Walmart or your grocery store first. Sometimes Dollar Tree wins, sometimes it doesn't. And that's the snack zone. I'm not responsible for what ends up in your cart after this point. I'm over here minding my own business. Buy it, depends, or leave it. The cooking concepts aluminum foil. If you're wrapping sandwiches or leftovers, if you need foil for lining a small baking pan, you only use foil occasionally. If you're going camping, buy it. Skip it and buy the Reynolds wrap. If you grill often, bake frequently, if you're wrapping potatoes or corn on the grill, you need heavy-duty foil for longer cooking times. The Reynolds wrap is slightly cheaper per foot. Reynolds wrap is a known trusted brand. Has a long-standing reputation for quality and consistent performance. You decide for yourself, based on your personal needs. I took home some of these sardines as a snack for my 4 German Shepherds to support healthy skin and a shiny coat. I'm grabbing these. I actually use these to organize my seasonings. I've had them for quite a while, and after lots of use, a few have finally cracked, so I'm picking up some replacements. For me, these are definitely a buy it. What's the deal, Dollar Tree? Buy it. These aren't just for the kitchen. I use brushes like this to scrub flower pots, seed trays, and dirty garden tools. That's getting 2 jobs out of $1. Keep one in the kitchen and one just for garden cleanup. Don't mix them up though, unless you want tomato soil in your coffee mug. These choppy mats are great. I actually like keeping one just for garden harvest, one for fruits and veggies, another for meat. It helps keep things organized. Anything that keeps me from chasing diced onions across the countertop is getting my vote. Buy it, because one zucchini plant can turn into 47 loaves of zucchini bread if you're not careful. Better grab the pan now. Especially if you love baking with what you grow, this is one of those kitchen staples that's worth tossing into the cart. Buy it. Around my house, these don't hold window cleaner. They hold plant potions. One for water, one for fertilizer, one for pest control. Label them so you don't surprise yourself later. Imagine accidentally spraying fertilizer on your kitchen countertops. Now these are adhesive shelf liners. I actually think they're really pretty, but for me this one depends. If you're lining kitchen shelves, drawers, or giving a small project a quick refresh, I'd say go for it. But if you're covering a large area or need something that's going to hold up for years, I'd probably invest in a higher quality brand. So for me, it depends. Well, ELOC Nation, we'll end it here. I had so much fun exploring beyond the garden aisle, and I hope you did too. Were you able to guess whether or not I decided to buy it or leave it? I want to hear from you. What would have made it to your cart? And should we keep exploring the whole store next time? If you enjoyed today's adventure, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves a good bargain. Until next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.